Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Docker and an N8n compose stack so your automation persists. Install Docker Engine and Docker Compose, then create a Docker Compose. IML that defines the N8n image plus a named volume for /home/node/. N8n, this preserves workflows and credentials. Set N vars like N8n host, N8n protocol, N8n port, and database credentials. Use Postgres if you expect scale. Once done, run Docker Compose upd to pull images and create containers, so the service is reachable and durable. Once the container runs, configure runtime options so N8n behaves securely and reliably. Connect a reverse proxy like Traefik or Nginx, or at minimum set N8n protocol and N8n host so external links are correct. Make sure to enable authentication. Set N8n basic auth active to true and provide a user and password, because N8n exposes powerful workflows. Also supply a persistent database URL or Postgres container, and set N8n encryption KEY to protect credentials. Finally, use a restart. You finish by launching and validating the stack. Run Docker Compose upd, then confirm with Docker PS and inspect logs with Docker Compose logs fn8n so you see startup validation. Make sure webhooks and external credentials work, export workflows, or snapshot the named volume before upgrades, and pull new images when ready. If something goes wrong, first check environment variables, volume file permissions, and database connectivity. These are the most common culprits. If proxies cause issues, clear cache or temporarily bypass the reverse proxy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.